Oh, we talk about the carbon dioxide. But first, what is the carbon dioxide? Carbon dioxide is a gas that is composed of two atoms of oxygen and carbon covalently like by a double bond. Carbon dioxide as well as other molecules have a defined circle where it is produced. It is absorbed and converted for the following. The sun's energy is absorbed by the plants and carbon dioxide from the human's breath. That plants produce oxygen which is absorbed by the human's breath and again becomes carbon dioxide.
Dioxide is also present naturally in volcanoes and geysers. Once the plants and animals die, bacteria help convert waste into carbon dioxide. Naturally, CO2 is dissolved in the water in the atmosphere, producing a slightly acidic solution, and it dissolves some minerals. This is called acid rain, and with it, the CO2 returns to the earth. Carbon dioxide goes into the atmosphere and it's concentrated in a 0.04%.
As we already said, the CO2 is produced by living beings, but unfortunately also thanks to us, and not only because we breathe oxygen, metabolize it and then return CO2. We produce many of these compounds because we have fossil fuels as our main source of energy in the planet, in order to make our machines like cars, airplanes, energy plants, etc. to work. That doesn't sound so bad. The tale here is that we have an excess of this compound in the planet, and this generates sickness in our own planet and sickness for ourselves. By saying that, the solution for this problem looks pretty easy. We only need to reduce the use of fossil fuels and then how the CO2 will be reduced. Boom. But here is the detail. We haven't found another type of energy so powerful as the fossil fuels. And well, many say, what the hell? Let the CO2 go to the atmosphere, but well, here's the deal. If we let CO2 go to the atmosphere, ozone gets destroyed, and without ozone, a lot of sun gets to the planet, and the sun gets our planet warmer and warmer, and it destroy the habitat and destroy our own planet.
For people, CO2 is a residue of the body, so it is not suitable to be exposed to a large amount of this gas, as it causes alteration in health in the short and long term. Kidney, lung, general ailments such as headaches, feeling of choking problems are some of the symptoms that pollution is affecting health in highly polluted areas, besides going to worsen over time to significant deterioration in the person. Even the EPA, responsible for US Environment Protection Agency, acknowledged that CO2 is harmful to the health of the people and that its coming years will become a public health problem. In the world, according to OMS, that each years 2 million people by air pollution with the gases from the burning of fossil fuels, which shows that this is not a minor issue.
The extreme events will gain intensity and more frequency according to UN scientists. Fires, hurricanes, floods, torrential rains, species disappearance, sea level augmentation, devastating and interminable storms, conflicts, economical damages. If we don't stop or moderate CO2 emissions, the price we'll have to pay will be enormous. There will be an augmentation of almost zero point 0.3 to 4.8 degrees Celsius this century, and the sea level will rise from 28 to 82 centimeters. A 2.5 Celsius degrees augmentation in temperature could reduce the world's annual income from 0.2 to 2%, that is hundreds of thousands of millions of dollars.